Okay, this is my informative speech notes. Hello, my name is Roger Hawkins. Today we'll be talking about animal conservation. The purpose of this speech is to inform everyone of the importance of animal conservation. Sometimes Mother Nature needs help from humans, as well as humans need help from Mother Nature. The bridge that connects both humans and Mother Nature is called conservation. There are 4 different types of conservations in the world: environmental, human, animal, and marine conservation. Conservation is important because it protects our planet and it preserves our atmosphere for the future. Animal conservation is important because humans use animals for consumption and as domestic pets. Animal conservation has 4 major aspects that bring everything together. There's hunting and fishing, controlling disease, the ecosystem, and protecting the atmosphere. Hunting and fishing. Hunting and fishing is a trade that's been passed down from generation to generation since the beginning of time. Also, Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation quoted that hunting is the main tool for biologists to learn and to seek out new animals in the wild. Fishing is one of my personal favorite trades and something that I learned. Fishing helps protect the atmosphere as far as the marine life and protecting the waterways. It's always good to clean up after yourself when you're out fishing or when you're out hunting. These animals might carry diseases. Controlling disease is the second biggest aspect of animal conservation. Controlling disease is important because animals can carry unseen diseases and have infections that humans can't see and they can catch from animals. Such places as the Humane Society of Southwest Missouri, they actually test the animals for these diseases and infections, and they also neuter and spade animals to control the overpopulation of the domestic pets. The third aspect is ecosystem. Protecting our ecosystem. The ecosystem is what we call the circle of life. We have important people that protect this ecosystem, and they are the park rangers and the game wardens. Their job is to make sure that everyone's doing the right thing and picking up after themselves when they're out in the wild, and also they protect the endangered species. Every species has a distinct role to play out in the wild, and they protect that. The ecosystem also, in some cases, is the main source of water for humans. So we need to make sure it's clean and make sure that we are protecting it at all costs. Our last aspect is protecting the atmosphere. The atmosphere of the world. If we cut down one tree, it takes away oxygen from the atmosphere. If we cut down a forest, not only does it take away oxygen, it also leaves animals homeless because that's their natural habitat. When we travel with oil or we carry all our oil around the world in the ocean, this also hurts the habitat of the marine life. In closing, animal conservation is paramount to the future of this planet. If we continue to bridge the gap, our future generations are heading in the right direction. A quote from Steve Irwin, who was a wildlife enthusiast. He said, if we can teach people about wildlife, they will be touched. Share my wildlife with me, because humans want to save things that they love. Steve Irwin. This concludes my speech, and thank you.